Hey guys, today we're going to talk about how to use the area model in order to solve multiplication equations. This is also known as the box method. We are first going to look at a 3-digit by 1-digit equation and how we can use this method in order to solve this equation. The first thing I need to do is I need to look at my digit that is 3 digits. I know that I can break that up into expanded form. When I do that, I have 740 and 2. I'm going to then make a box for each of those values. So I have 3 boxes because I have a 3-digit number. My 6 then is going to go on the outside. It is a 1-digit number, that's why I only have 1 row. Then I'm going to use what I know about multiplication in order to do 6 times 7. I'm going to cover up my zeros so then I can put them back later. 6 times 7 equals 42. I have 2 zeros, I'm going to add those back. Cover up this 0, I have 6 times 4. 6 times 4 equals 24. 1 0 to add back. Then I have 6 times 2. 6 times 2 equals 12. I then am going to take those 3 values and I'm going to add them together. Make sure you line them up in the correct way with the ones column lined up. 2 plus 0 equals 2, 4 plus 1 plus 0 equals 5, 2 plus 2 equals 4, and then I bring my second 4 down. My value then is 4,452. Now when I'm looking at equations that have 2-digit by 2-digit, I'm going to have to make a 2 by 2 box or array model. So I'm going to make a 2 by 2 box because I have 2 digits and 2 digits. When I take 42, I'm going to break that up into expanded form. Expanded form of 42 is going to be 40 and 2. Expanded form of 16 is going to be 10 and 6. So I have 2 digits, 2 digits. So I have a 2 by 2 box with 4 squares. All right. Then I'm going to look at my multiplication equation of 1 times 4. I'm going to forget about those zeros for a second so then I can add them back at the end. 1 times 4 equals 4. I have 1, 2 zeros. Then I'm going to do 1 times 2, forget about that 0, and add it back. Then I'm going to do 6 times 4, which equals 24, and add my 0 back. Then 6 times 2 is 12. Then I'm going to take all of those values and I'm going to add them together. I need to make sure that I line them up in the ones place so that I don't mess up my equation though. So 400, 240, 20, and 12. I have 4 numbers here, I have 4 numbers here, so I'm good to go. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 0 equals 7. And then 4 plus 2 equals 6. So my answer to 42 times 16 is 672. If you have any questions about this, please ask your child about it, and I'm sure they'd be happy to explain it. Happy learning!